me to do again?
Technically, I didn't put this in my mouth. I just placed the...
Oh.
That's in the plastic wrapper.
She wants me to eat that. Why do you want me to eat that?
It's the same thing when you kiss me. What's the difference?
No!
Huh?
What are you gotta be like that mad to me?
This isn't even wet.
Wait, I'm not balanced. I'm losing balance.
Move here, no. Ang arte. I put it in my mouth.
I know.
Bind us together. Ouch!
Sorry.
I think you have to bite it. Of course, it's not gonna be bad. Do you think my saliva has a taste?
Yes.
It tastes like ube.
It tastes like Pinas.
Ube.
Alright, hurry up. We gotta do math, girl.
Wow.
Sound coming from you who's religious.
Just asking you to go to mass or to hear mass.
Okay, cool. Alright guys, so... Oh shoot. So for today's vlog... Man, I'm not used to vlogging on the Sony camera. Okay, so for today's vlog, tomorrow's gonna be our checkout here from Accra. And we're gonna be going to Nature tomorrow, around after lunch. And that one is a bit more hotel vibes, just because it's like a resort right next to the beach. And it's down south Phuket, so I'm gonna show a little map right next to me of how far that is from Accra. Accra is like in the middle of a province area, located in this city. I forgot, honestly, and I don't want to say it too because I can't pronounce it either. So I don't want to butcher the pronunciation of the town. So yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. I'm not gonna miss that restaurant we went to. But you know, my frown went upside down when she said yes. So there. Oh, baby, send me which photos you want me to post, by the way. But for real, guys, like, look how many pepperonis we ate. I already put some in the trash, but I think that's about, what, 10? So, wait, I don't know if you can see that so blurry. See, this is why I don't like vlogging on the Sony camera. It just, the autofocus takes a while. So we're here at Nature Phuket. This is just simple. The plan we got is the one with jacuzzi. So here's the toilet, of course, shower head, the typical. Oh, they have bathrobes. Nice. I was looking for bathrobes, and they got flip flops too. But I don't think you can keep these though.
Oh yeah.
They look kind of used. But this kind of reminds me of the Hard Rock vibe. So you got like mirrors, and I think you could slide this right there. There we are. And then my fiance looking hella cute. And damn girl, you look cute. Anyway, we got twin bed for our imaginary child. And then we have our king bed right here. And then we got a little jacuzzi. I wanted the one with the pool, but I wanted the one with jacuzzi because I wanted some privacy. As you can see, there's our jacuzzi right there. Not really a scenic view, however, that's okay. Because this right here alone, you guys, is only $45 a night. 45, yes, that's 3 nights, $45 each, and that's the reason why I got it. If I wanted to get the own private pool with people looking at you, kind of, that's about $100. So I was like, might as well just get the jacuzzi for 45 bucks a night and get that little bubble action right there where it's doing right now, and also the privacy. We are here on the first floor, which I feel really grateful now, just because the room that we were in Accra, don't get me wrong, I love it. it's just we just had some stairs you had to walk through. You know, coming from like a place that you just want to go back to your room and chill, it's nice to just be on the same floor. But I feel like we're probably gonna take more floors down the way because this whole place is kind of bigger than I expected. So, of course, the Sony TV. That's weird. A lot of people use Sony here in Phuket, surprisingly. So far, that's the third one. So, yeah. So I'm gonna check it out. Oh, we got a little fridge action, and yeah, we're going to just chill, relax, and probably get something to eat. And this place has a gym. This place has a 24-hour gym, and I'm pretty excited for it. Oh, this thing slides. Dang, that's pretty sick. Those slides like that. So if I wanted to slide in and then slide out. Oh wait, slide. You get what I'm saying. But it's pretty sick. It has a divider.
Oh.
No, push, then push to your left. Yeah.
Oh, so that's how you go.
Yes. If you want your privacy. So yeah, Hard Rock vibes.
Yeah, it looks like hard.
And I like how the pillows say soft and then this one says firm. Of course, you're not gonna use these. It's pretty sick. I like it. Not bad for $45 a night. So we're gonna relax. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I think I might go to Old Town Phuket later tonight just because it's a bit closer to the area. And we're down like south. We can see Patong. Yeah. So oh, she saw the beach back, you guys. Right there. Boom. So. What's that? Oh, her favorite, the laundry bag. Her luggage, she bought the Sentado one from Maldives. It's funny. But yeah, we're gonna relax and then yeah. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Flashlight, baby, look.
Oh, and we have a flashlight. You gonna tell me scary stories, baby?
It's automatic.
Yeah, you're automatic.
What? That doesn't even make sense.
I know, it doesn't make sense. But anyway, okay. Alright, I'm done. Next video now.
It really is the nature. That's how it's called the nature.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice.
There it is. we just saw someone naked. Like I didn't know if it was a guy or girl. That's
Yeah,
why
I saw it and she was like, what the heck? Why is the boobs like hanging out?
I thought it was a guy the whole time until like I put two and two together and I was like, oh shit, it is a guy. I mean girl. Big guy, kid. I'll probably be here most of the time. Oh, that's so sick. And you got the slide right there. Oh dang, there's like a playground there too, right there. That's interesting, this is a sliding door. Well, it's not open yet.
Yeah. Oh, but the view is nice.
Yeah. Ow. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So down there you got a little like food, like street food right there if you want to try it. But it's pretty cool. Oh, there's like another bar right there too. Then you got the beach right there, right in front of us. A little French. That's a little French restaurant right there.
Is this the Kamala Beach or the Patong Beach?
I have no idea, honestly.
I think it's the Patong Beach. Because it says there.
And they got a bunch of other resorts right there too. And damn, I am fucking burning right now. It's hot as hell. Can't wait to hit the jacuzzi later, but yeah, this is nice. It's amazing how Phuket is shaped into like geographically. As you can see, it's like there's the beach and then you got the hills. It reminds you of like Laguna Beach, honestly, if you think about it, if you're from the Orange County area. But it's pretty cool. Nice. And this is only 45 bucks a night. Damn, I'm scratching my head. During the New Year's Eve, it was $100 for the one that we got. And I was like, that's not worth it, honestly, for New Year's Eve. So that's why I booked Accra first for New Year's Eve, just because it was more cheaper during that time. And ideally, I feel like if I gone here for New Year's Eve, it would have been really packed, just because it's more, you know, it's right by the street, and like you see a lot of resorts here, and probably was a busy night. So yeah. So I'm confused as if this neon bar is open up like at night, because it looks very kind of like dead, honestly. I'm looking at it, but yeah, we're gonna go get some street food, rest, jacuzzi, gym.
It says like it's open 5 p.m.
Oh, 5 p.m. Nah, never mind. And then we're gonna go to Old Town Phuket later, so check that out. So we got a little seafood, fried rice, and then I forgot what I got. I think it was like beef stir fry, but some spice, but it's pretty good. Then some 2 coconuts. She's very hungry, as you can tell.
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so spicy.
It's really good, honestly. And yeah, just like there's our hotel right there, as you can see, and just like little small market for street food. I don't know how do you want to say it, but oh dang, there's a lot of birds up there. What the hell? But yeah, and then the beach is right here. It's pretty cool. It's a very good spot. Very relaxing. So we're gonna eat and work out later. So